Let's share what I have here around me as I'm hiking. Been walking for days now. This is my fourth day. I've been hitchhiking as well. Now, hitchhiking is very interesting here. When a car stops, they say they're giving you a ride, and then after a few kilometers, they say it's a taxi, and there's no taxi sign. So I've been having a few disagreements with people here. It's just crazy. What I don't understand here is, they know you are hitchhiking. Why would somebody give you a ride, and after a few kilometers, want to charge you money? Okay, here's a perfect scenario, right? Somebody picked me up and dropped me after 3 kilometers because I was going a different direction. He called his mother, who then spoke in English with me, and the mother said, for the journey that is taken you have to pay like $10 US for 3 kilometers. I said, no chance. That is not right. And I said, I travel everywhere hitchhiking and auto stop. So I think maybe he heard me when I keep saying auto stop because that means hitchhiking. And he said, no, it's free. And the mother on the other side, she says, but he can take you to your destination for $10. And I said, no, I don't need that. All I need is just to walk because I'm here to walk. I'm hiking. I'm experiencing and breathing fresh air and just walking all over. Some place there's a hiking trail, and sometimes I use the main road. It's as simple as that. All I'm saying is, if you're planning to hitchhike in certain countries, before you sit in somebody's car, always make it clear that you are auto-stop or hitchhiking. Otherwise, there's going to be this hidden charges that you're not going to be aware of. Yesterday, another guy gave me a ride. And after 1-2 kilometers, he said it should be about $5 to my destination. I said, $5? No. Me, I'm always hitchhiking. This auto stop. Then he stopped and I said, so where's my direction? He pointed me the wrong way. Lucky enough, I had Google Maps. I checked Google Maps and Google Maps say, you are going the wrong direction. So I switched and went the other way. It's very interesting when you meet people and these things happen because you really don't expect that to happen to you. But, it's part of life. It's part of being a traveler. It's part of being a writer. You have to experience this. You have to handle the smooth with the rough. And so far, so good. Dogs follow you everywhere. I can hear a car coming up. I think I'm going to try and hitchhike this one. Maybe success, maybe not. But it's not far enough for me to walk. About an hour and a half, I think. When I went to sleep last night, it was warm, and then I woke up this morning in my tent, and it was covered in snow. I couldn't believe it. I looked at it and thought, wow, imagine that. Lucky enough, I was camping under a huge tree. The tent was okay inside. Outside, it was cold. And now you can see here, it's snow road. That's why I didn't want to go into the hiking trail, because when it's like this, you should try to avoid hiking in those trails. Let's look at this place. This is where I am. I've got another hour to go, but that is beautiful. One thing that's very unique to this country is, the electric poles. They don't dig the ground and put the pole underground. No, they put concrete blocks up, and then they tie that wooden pole onto the electric pole. Look, that's the electric pole. You see the concrete block there and the wooden pole? And that's the electricity. That's how they do things. Different. Let me show you something truly amazing. I've never seen this before. A green stone, you see there? It's very green. Let's go close to it. That's a green stone. All of it. It's all green here. And it's snowing. Look at that. Look at snow falling. I'm in winter wonderland. This is winter wonderland, man. It's beautiful. There's a river on my left. There's a mountain on my right. And another mountain far left. And a mountain in front of me. And I'm walking. Look at this. Is lovely. Look at that. I've got to take a photo of this. It's like winter wonderland. Woo-hoo! I was raised by a single mother. She's a strong woman. She works so hard for all her life to provide for her children. She's a strong woman. She's wonderful. She's lovely. I love my mother. I was born in October. My mother loved us all. She loved us all. She loved us all. I was raised by a single mother. She's a strong black woman.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you in the next video.
She's a strong woman.